Hello everyone, I am Dr. Vibhalakshmi and welcome to my channel Learn with Joy. And today we will discuss about stimulus variation skill. So let's start about the stimulus variation skill. The chief aim of the teacher's teaching in the classroom is to make the lesson impressive and interesting. For this, use of various types of methods and techniques are essential. In order to attract the students, teacher may present various types of stimuli and can function as stimulus. What is stimulus? Stimulus refers to an object, person, event, action or condition that elicits, accelerates or arouses physiological or psychological action, activities or responses. Variation means changing these stimuli to keep the content lively and remove the boredom from the classroom learning. So, stimulus variation is described as deliberate change in the behavior of the teacher in order to sustain the attention of the learners throughout the lesson. Teacher behavior. All activities related to teaching learning process which are done by the teacher in the classroom collectively are called teacher behavior. Teacher activities like writing on blackboard, show audiovisual aids, asking questions, give the examples to make content easy, go near with students, change in voice, movements of body parts. Stimulus variation skill. The ability of skillful change in the stimuli is known as the skill of stimulus variation. Just to avoid boredom, it is the teacher's skill to stimulate the students, increase their active participation, enthusiasm, and spirit of study. Now the time of relaxation, and relaxation is also a stimulus variation. Objectives of stimulus variation: to enhance continuous thinking of students for understanding concepts, to enhance the active involvement of the students in the teaching learning process, to increase the learning at reflective level, to enhance liveliness in teaching, to grab the attention of the students, to minimize students' mental fatigue and boredom, to learn how to use teaching aids, to make teaching learning process effective. Need of stimulus variation skill. There are some facts related to need of stimulus variation skill. First, types of learning. Mainly there are two types of learning, visual and audible. As researchers says, human collects knowledge from their sensory organs. Human receives most of the knowledge audio-visually and it is up to 85%. So while teaching, teacher has to keep in mind to involve as much sensory organs as he can use. Second, rule of fluctuating attention. One more interesting research about the human tendencies is that human can't pay attention continuously on one stimuli more than 5 minutes. Besides this, eyes' attention can be retained only for few seconds. So, teacher has to use some tricks to switch students' attention from one aspect to another. It removes boredom from teaching. It sustains students' attention towards teaching. Third, deal with individual differences. There are different types of students in the class, like different IQs, EQs, hobbies, interest, and various aspects of personality. So, to make student understand the topic easily and actively, this skill is very important. Fourth one is to break the monotony of the lesson. Students tend to remain interested, listen, watch, or do something only for a limited period of time. Therefore, teachers need to vary their presentation to keep students focused on the lesson. Fifth, motivate the students to learn. Variety in itself enhances children's motivation and interest. A class is more interesting and appealing when students are taught with the discussions, project, games, demonstrations, role plays, and other strategies. Now, there are some important points related to effective learning. First is, if the teacher talks too long, students are bound to lose interest or eye contact with the teacher. The teacher should reduce talking and vary his/her activities. Next, a teacher who is able to vary stimulus can make his/her lesson more effective, as there is high participation with learners and great achievements of the lesson objective. Positive results are also found. Students' learning largely depends upon attending to the relevant source of information. Attention is an essential condition for effective learning. Teachers should deliberately use attention drawing behavior in the class to draw and sustain students' attention. The skill of stimulus variation involves deliberate change in attention drawing behavior of the teacher in order to secure and sustain students' attention to what is being taught. The variation in the stimuli generates interest among students in their learning and hence helps in their academic achievement. There are number of factors which influence the student's attention. First is intensity. A louder sound, a brighter light can capture anyone's attention. However, continuity of loudness and brightness tend to have a quick decreasing effect in attracting attention. Second is contrast. Anything which is bigger than other things in the surrounding environment attracts attention. Third, movements. A motivating thing attracts our attention more in comparison to a stable thing. Next, self-activity. Attention is sustained if the students are asked or motivated to engage themselves in instructional activities. Next, audiovisual aids. It has been proved that audiovisual aids have great potential to help students in their learning. Next, teachers' personal behavior. If the teacher is enthusiastic, stimulating, energetic, and expressive, She gets more attention than when she is dull and monotonous. Thank you so much.